Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and check out this beautiful LED porch light from LUTEC. These lights are really easy to install. It took my husband literally about 5 minutes to install each light, and it comes with all the hardware that you need, so it's super simple. And we love how versatile this light is, that you can customize it to your liking. You can move these light bars up and down, shine the light against the wall, straight forward, up and down. It's just really nice to be able to change them like that. If you get tired of one style, you can go to the next. And it just brings our front door area to the next level. It's beautiful, modern. Here it is in the daytime. I just love the look of it. It's very sleek and clean. We also put one by the garage door, and I love how it lights up this corner. This is where we keep our trailer and our boat. So it's great to have a nice bright LED light out here. And there's so many different ways that you can shine the light. And during the daytime, it just looks so modern and nice. So if you're looking for a porch light that's going to bring your entryway to the next level, definitely check out LUTEC. They have beautiful options to choose from. You won't be disappointed with the brightness, the quality, and the aesthetics of these lights. And that's my point of view.